Hi, welcome back to the course. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to download the course material that we're going to use throughout the remaining of this course. First of all, let's open up our web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Once it's open in the URL, just type in www.visualvideotutorial.com/training/gitkraken.zip. I'm also going to put this link into the course description so you can just copy and paste to this. And as you can see, the download should start immediately, and mine is finished downloading. Depending on the setup in your computer, most of the browser, they're going to automatically put it into the download folder. I'm going to put here and then click in the show in folder. Now, as you can see, mine, it put this zip file into the download folder. Right. I'm going to double click on the file, and since it's a zip file, I'm using Windows 10. Windows 10 has a function that will open up a zip file. But if you have an older version of Windows, for example, Windows 7 or even earlier, you may need to download like a WinZip or WinRAR to be able to open the zip file. So I'm going to double click on this one. And as you can see, there is a folder in there. What we want to do is we want to take this folder and then put it into the My document, because we're going to use later on in the My document to work through the remaining of the project. We're going to click on the file. We're going to do copy by right click and then click on the copy. And then we can go to the My document here and then right click and then do paste. And you should see that the file copy, and then right now the gitkraken_project folder is in your My document. Next, I want to take some time to open up the folder and then kind of go through some of the content in there. What I'll do is I'll open up the preview so we'll be able to see what's the file about. As you can see, what I have here is a recipe. It has an appetizer recipe. It has a main course recipe, which is a shrimp garlic pasta, and also my favorite dessert, which is tiramisu. What we're going to do later on is I'm going to make some changes. We are going to make some changes into this recipe, and then along the way we're going to make copy, we're going to save it, and then we even going to roll back, and you'll see the full feature, the full function of Git version control throughout all this. Now, if you also see, I have 3 JPEG file in here, and JPEG is not the best option. It's not the best. Git is actually not very good with keeping track of JPEG, of image and non-binary file. Git is really good with source code. Anything that is text file, it's very easy because you can see the content right there. But if you have something like Excel, or if you have something like Microsoft Word, the Gitkraken or even the Git, they cannot show what's in there. So I purposely put these 3 files in here because I'm going to show you how to do the git ignore in here. Ignoring a file is something that is very common in the version control, and ignoring these 3 files is going to be one of the lessons that I'm going to show you later on. All right? If you have any question, feel free to post it in the forum and I'll respond to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.